1 overripe banana. Mash the banana until smooth. Add oat flour and milk. Mix into a thick, smooth batter. Let the batter rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Heat a nonstick pan over meat and lightly grease it. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter for each small pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges look set and bubbles appear. Gently flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Serve warm with banana slices, berries, honey, or peanut butter.